Forex trading, also known as foreign exchange trading or currency trading, involves buying and selling different currencies in order to make a profit from the fluctuations in their exchange rates. IC Markets is an online forex broker that provides traders with access to a wide range of currency pairs, as well as other financial instruments like commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. To register with IC Markets, you can follow these steps. Go to the IC Markets registration link, http://icmarkets.com/camp=60585. Click on the Open Live Account button located in the top right-hand corner of the page. Fill out the registration form with your personal details, including your name, email address, and phone number. Choose your account type, base currency, and leverage level. Verify your identity by providing a copy of your ID or passport and proof of address. Make a deposit into your trading account using one of the available payment methods. Download and install the trading platform of your choice, MT4, MT5, or CTrader. Start trading by opening a position on a currency pair or other financial instrument. It's important to remember that Forex trading involves a high level of risk and may not be suitable for everyone. Make sure you understand the risks involved and consider seeking professional advice before making any investment decisions.